We've been in this house maybe about 12 years, and we've been thinking for a long time to go through sort of a basement renovation. Our journey started probably last summer, in the summer of 2023. We went through the process to do our own sort of research. We had a number of different contractors come to our property just to get a sense as to what their approach is, what their desire was for our basement. That's where Michael really kind of stood out from the rest of the contractors that we saw, from his from the trust that we felt from him coming and speaking to us. So we just felt comfortable with Michael's sort of approach, his his commitment to us as clients and customers, and really kind of shared our same vision in terms of what we had for this space. Going into this process, it's always challenging because you don't know kind of what to expect, and you hear all the horror stories that are out there from different people, and having contractors not do what they're supposed to do. That was totally sort of not the case with Michael and team. From the very first time that we actually saw Michael and talked to him, there was just that trust and professionalism that he was able to provide us with, and there was a level of comfort as well, in terms of understanding exactly, what the project would entail, how long the project would take. The key thing for us was the budget and the schedule, obviously, right? We had a certain budget that we wanted to maintain, which we did. We wanted a schedule to maintain, which we did. So when Michael said that's, here's when we're gonna start and here's when we're going to end, everything really turned out to be exactly, on schedule. Michael and the Level Up team exceeded all of our expectations. I would recommend them all the time.